What's the meaning of carelessly? Carelessly. Carelessly.
Carelessly. Carelessly. Carelessly means to do something without paying attention, thought, or concern for the consequences. The result of being careless can vary depending on the situation. For example, if a surgeon operates carelessly, it could result in serious injury or death to the patient. If a driver is careless, it could cause a car accident. Being careless with personal information can lead to identity theft. In general, being careless can lead to mistakes and negative outcomes that could have been prevented with more attention and care.